is an innovative high-tech enterprise founded in 1993, integrating scientific research, development, production, sales, and service into a whole. RAMON has been awarded as a National Key Software Enterprise, National Key High-Tech Enterprise, National Postdoctoral Scientific Research Workstation, and also among the first batch of innovative pilot enterprises in Hunan Province. RAMON specializes in the R&D and application of technological products of automatic measurement and control, online production monitoring, robot control and processing, and advanced materials. It provides advanced product solutions and services to various fields, including metallurgical, nuclear power, and chemical industry. In the past 2 decades, RAMON has supplied the global major industrialized countries with the best solutions of intelligent measurement and control technologies to effectively promote the progress of global metallurgical industrialization. RAMON has successfully established a company in Hengyuan, Changsha, Beijing, India, USA, and Russia. It has supplied over thousands of sets of products, accumulatively to more than 500 customers home and abroad, being the major supplier of metallurgical intelligent measurement and control products for over 40 countries and regions across Asia, Europe, America, and the Middle East. With a domestic market share reaching 85% in 2016, RAMON has won good reputation among the 300 steel enterprises in China and dozens of countries across the world, setting a good example for Made in China to go global, while seizing the growing opportunities of the emerging international market. RAMON also takes the efforts to absorb the R&D resources from developed countries to enhance its internationalization level. RAMON adheres to the customer demand-oriented principle and concentrates the advanced resources to establish market-driven innovative quality. Relying on the state-level Enterprise Technology Center, RAMON is building a global collaborative R&D system. RAMON has over 300 R&D personnel, 11 R&D departments, and 20 years of R&D experience, 2 professors, 5 doctors, and 41 masters. The strong technology R&D team has made today's achievements. By 2016, RAMON has successfully obtained 246 national patents, 36 international patents, and 27 software copyrights. More than 50 products have independent intellectual property rights, and over 10 technologies win world top level. RAMON has established a strategic cooperative partnership with University of Science and Technology, Beijing USTB, National University of Defense Technology, NUDT, Sha Steel Group, Siemens VAI, and South Korea POSCO in the aspect of robot, materials, and intellectualization. RAMON has done basic theory research for metallurgical automation with prospective theories and methods. Also combines the product's development with theory researches closely. On this basis, RAMON has created a large number of core technologies with independent intellectual property rights. RAMON has successfully developed the first set of BOF flame analysis and sonar slacking detection integrated system, the world's first set of electric volt non-sinusoidal oscillation system, online oxygen and carbon content measuring system in liquid metal, and applied cerium-doped lithium bromide to nitrogen-16 steam generator leak rate detector. RAMON has firstly developed a number of innovative products: continuous casting control, liquid metal existence monitoring and level measuring system, and surface defect detection system, continuous casting, continuous rolling. Recently, the invention of a series of technical products, including automatic steelmaking, intelligent manufacturing, robot for steel industry, products for nuclear power industry, makes great achievements for Ramon in the field of nuclear power and automatic steelmaking. Both the successful development of all products and the technology upgrading and updating every time will promote the development of steel industry and the progress of the times, and lead the development trends of the steel industry. The development of Ramon intelligent solutions for steelmaking, continuous casting, and hot rolling. Ramon industrial robots, Ramon measuring probes, nuclear power monitoring system, and graphene material, as well as the application of system solutions, all become the most well-known name card for Ramon globally. Ramon Sci-Tech Park has excellent working in living conditions, fresh air, and a positive atmosphere. All staff strive forward under the leadership of core leaders dedicatedly and innovatively to make Ramon the first-class metallurgical measurement and control enterprise globally. With the progress and development of science and technology, Ramon will cover the business of steel, nuclear power, intelligent equipment, biomedical field, etc. Ramon will make a fresh start and develop rapidly in the new fields. Adhering to the mission that quality changes the world, Ramon sets the goal to become the excellent and respected metallurgical supplier globally. Through providing the world's most qualified products and services, Ramon will perform its duty to contribute to the better life of human beings. Technology leads the future. Quality changes the world.